My name's Tony Nicholls and I'm the project director for Interserve Engineering. What a whirlwind of a project. The time it's took for us to deliver this amazing facility, it's just beyond belief. Full of praise for everybody who's been involved, my team, the guys on the ground, the supply chain, the subcontractors, everybody who played their part. We've been having deliveries 24 hours a day. We've even had deliveries via LinkedIn. It's just amazing how everybody's pulled together and been able to deliver such an amazing facility. I'm so proud of what Interserve Engineering has done on this project and what we've been able to deliver in support of the NHS.